Question 1. In WorkFusion, what exactly double subscription is? Answer. One of the very important aspects of a business process management is double subscription. There are cases when messages don't deliver to the subscriber instantly due to the reasons such as user not available or is away from the covered region. In case messages are sent during such a situation, the same remains in queue and deliver when the user comes online. This phenomenon is generally called as double subscription. There are certain benefits that users can have through this approach in a true sense. Question 2. Name the segments in which business process management task can be derived without affecting the overall functionality of any subtask associated with the primary one. Answer. The common segments are milestones as well as lanes. Lanes are generally represented in the form of horizontal lines, while on the other side the milestones are represented in the form of vertical lines in WorkFusion. Question 3. What are some of the components of business process management in WorkFusion you are familiar with? Answer. The very first and in fact the most important one is Process Server, which makes sure that all the tasks are centrally monitored as well as controlled. In addition to this, another component that is extremely useful is Process Designer, which is generally followed by the Process Center. Various consoles such as Admin Console and Data Warehouse are also the part of BPM in many cases. Question 4. What are the tasks that can be automated with the help of robotic process automation? Answer. The fact is RPA is totally based on software and users need to keep this thing in their mind. Several minor, as well as major tasks can be handled with the help of this once deployed. Maintenance of records, transaction management, as well as queries handling can simply be done with RPA. IT is also capable to manage complex business applications and data in the right manner. One of the best things is RPA supports a lot of platforms such as HTML and Java. Thus, users need not to worry about the compatibility issues. Question 5. In WorkFusion BPM, what exactly is a UCA? Answer. It stands for Undercover Agent, which are generally used when it comes to sharing some authentic and secret or personal information among the users. UCA always make sure that no unauthorized subscriber catch the message. Basically, the original message is attached to it or kept inside the frame. Question 6. What exactly do you mean by serialization? Answer. There are certain stages when XML needs to be converted into a format which is compatible with the teamwork objective. This process is generally called as serialization. Question 7. What are the advantages of robotic process automation? Answer. There are certain benefits that users can always make sure of, and these are: it is basically cost-effective, faster, have excellent consistency if everything is managed reliably, can boost customer satisfaction. RPA is well known for accuracy as well as for quality. Question 8. Do you think management plays any role when it comes to selecting the right RPA tool? Answer. Yes. The role of management is always there and is very significant. Actually, there are certain factors that can affect the final outcome. Of course, no management wants to invest in a tool or an approach that has more cost and limited features. Management intervention is therefore important. Question 9. Name any two type of event listener that you consider in the WorkFusion. Answer. First is intermediate message event listener and second is start message event listener. Question 10. What is routing in WorkFusion RPA? Answer. When it comes to assigning a specific task to a participant group or a group of users, this is generally considered. The main aim is to avoid confusion when it comes to assigning more than one activity or task to a group. Question 11. What do you mean by event listener in WorkFusion? Answer. It is basically an approach that is considered when it comes to extending the limit on any business process management task with strategies that are not so common. This method is considered along by integrating it with other modules. In case an event occurs, it displays the message for the users that all other processes have been notified. Anything that takes place outside the current process is generally regarded as event. For security reasons, there are sometimes restrictions on adding the new listener. Question 12. What does SLA abbreviated for? Answer. It stands for Service Level Agreement. Question 13. In WorkFusion, how RPA is different from test automation? Answer. Both these have one common module, and i.e. automation. This clearly indicates that the intervention can simply be avoided and quality can significantly be improved. One of the important tasks handled by WorkFusion RPA is performing calculations, handling queries and software testing process. In addition to this, functional testing of software products is also considered by it. On the other side, test automation makes sure that all the sub-processes run smoothly and reliably.